All right, guys, quick video on 5.7 Tundra. That's a V8 Tundra. Probably not the four-wheel drive, because you'd have a little bit of an issue here with the four-wheel drive system. But if you are doing a two-wheel drive Tundra, and I'm not sure if this goes for the Sequoia or the 570 Land Cruiser, it may be, well, the Land Cruiser is four-wheel drive, so never mind. Just so the Sequoia Tundra, this pertains to it. There's a lot of videos out there saying that, you know, pull the starter out the back. You'd have to basically take off a lot of coolant lines and coolant lines in regards to transmission coolant lines. It's kind of a little bit more of a headache. But if you're working on a two-wheel drive, don't do that. Just pull it out the front. So the front, meaning right next to the oil pan, you've undone your dipstick, and this bad boy slides in here like so. Obviously, you're gonna have to play with it, right? Once it's up there, you're gonna have to finagle it. But man, does it beat doing it out the back. The back does have a lot of stuff there that I do not want to take out. You have to kink things, and you're gonna get dirty with tranny fluid. So avoid that. If you're doing a two-wheel drive, maybe follow this tip. It may be able to help you. If not, you know, redo the lines. Take the lines off the back and do it the hard way. Up to you. I just wanted to give you guys a quick tip. Thanks.